Welcome to my channel. Today we're making lamb. My channel is focused on techniques rather than the recipes because technique is gonna lead you to make and create beautiful dishes compared to the recipe. A recipe, there's so many out there that you can make. Technique is, to me, is the best skills you can have, and the best skill you can learn over the time to create beautiful dish. Maybe use it for like a special dinner for your wife or your husband, whatever it is, or just make a meal and then just make a recipe. But again, the technique is gonna separate you from the rest of the crowd. But today I'm making a lamb rack or lamb chops. We're gonna call it lamb chops. I couldn't find the lamb rack, but lamb chops and lamb rack is it's different, but it's similar. The lamb rack is more it's bigger and it's a little big. So we're looking for the Frenchy part. Frenchy is when you peel the bone and you leave the bone like that. But anyway, so then we're gonna sear this. We're gonna pair it with pesto risotto. So the way I do it, I just add salt. I don't have no pepper. Remember, most of my food I add pepper in the end unless it's needed, like barbecues, things like that is needed. But and like for searing or like any cuts, I don't use pepper. I use pepper in the end. This is what I'm doing, and I have a rosemary over here for the stinky little flavor. I don't want it to stink my entire kitchen with lamb, so I put a little bit rosemary, and that's it. Just follow me along how things are done.